Hi, this is Richard with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today we'll be showcasing this 2019 Scout 380 LXF. This Scout is well equipped with a rear-facing aft seat, converts into a grill. We have triple Yamaha 425 XTO offshore motors. Here's your grill. We have an transom seating right here. This boat is equipped with Seakeeper, FLIR, generator, AC in the helm and inside the cabin. It is also equipped with 3 Garmin 16-inch screens, state-of-the-art zip wake trim tabs. Come up front. We have the teak bow table with bow seating, nice sun lounge equipped with a bow shade. We have a enclosed head. A great feature that Scout has is this locker where you hold your gaff, scrub brush, things that normally you just throw around the boat. Scout made a conscious effort to put something in its place. Please contact MarineMax North Key Largo to schedule a showing. Thank you.